Welcome to Roadrunner, your one-stop destination for all things automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone simply looking for the latest updates in the automotive world, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2025 Tata Sumo. After making a mark in the SUV market years ago, Tata Motors is bringing back the iconic Sumo with a modern twist. This new version promises to offer a combination of rugged durability, advanced features, and improved performance, making it a worthy contender in the competitive SUV market. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Tata Sumo has to offer. The Tata Sumo has always been a well-known name in India, thanks to its strong performance, practicality, and durability. The 2025 version, however, brings a fresh and modern perspective to this iconic model, incorporating new design elements, advanced technology, and improved features that appeal to the modern consumer. On the outside, the 2025 Tata Sumo has undergone a complete redesign. The aggressive stance and bold design are more noticeable than ever, with sharp lines and a wider front grille. The front end of the vehicle features sleek, contemporary LED headlights that give it a much more premium and stylish look compared to its predecessors. The SUV's high ground clearance and muscular wheel arches add to its ruggedness and make it well equipped to handle a variety of terrains, whether it's the rugged countryside or busy urban streets. When you step inside the 2025 Tata Sumo, the first thing that stands out is its spacious and well-thought-out cabin. The interior has been redesigned for enhanced comfort, offering generous space for both passengers and luggage. The seats are made from high-quality materials, providing excellent support for long drives. Additionally, the cabin's high roofline ensures ample headroom, making the ride even more comfortable for tall passengers. The 2025 Sumo's cabin also comes with plenty of storage space, including a large boot that can easily accommodate all your travel essentials, whether it's for a weekend road trip or a family outing. Tata Motors has made sure that the 2025 Sumo comes loaded with the latest tech features. The center console is home to a large, easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This allows you to seamlessly connect your smartphone and enjoy features like navigation, hands-free calling, and entertainment. The system also comes with Bluetooth connectivity and voice control, making it even easier to stay connected while keeping your eyes on the road. In addition to the infotainment system, the Sumo also features a digital instrument cluster that displays all the important driving metrics, such as fuel efficiency, tire pressure, and other critical vehicle information, ensuring that you have all the details you need while on the move. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo is powered by a refined and powerful diesel engine. This updated engine provides impressive torque, making it suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, offering smooth gear shifts and quick response when needed. Whether you're navigating through tight city streets or heading off-road, the 2025 Tata Sumo is equipped to handle any driving condition with ease. Thanks to the engine's improved fuel efficiency, the Sumo is also more economical, making it an attractive choice for long journeys and daily commutes. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tata Sumo is its suspension system. Tata has focused on improving the ride quality, ensuring that the vehicle remains comfortable, even on uneven and bumpy roads. The high ground clearance of the SUV gives it the ability to easily tackle rough terrains, making it ideal for those who enjoy outdoor adventures or need a vehicle that can perform well in rural or off-road environments. Additionally, the all-wheel drive system ensures that the Sumo remains stable and offers excellent traction, even in challenging weather or road conditions. In terms of safety, Tata Motors has incorporated a comprehensive suite of features to ensure the protection of both the driver and passengers. The 2025 Tata Sumo comes with multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic brake force distribution, EBD, all of which work together to provide maximum safety during a potential collision. The reinforced body structure and crumple zones also contribute to the vehicle's ability to absorb impact energy, enhancing occupant safety. Furthermore, the SUV includes additional safety features such as rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, and cornering lamps to make maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. The 2025 Tata Sumo offers versatility that makes it suitable for a wide range of driving needs. Whether you're looking for a reliable family vehicle that can handle daily driving duties or an adventure-ready SUV capable of tackling off-road tracks, the Sumo can meet those demands with ease. It brings together rugged design, modern features, and practical performance in a way that appeals to both urban and rural drivers. Additionally, with the inclusion of modern technology, comfort features, and improved performance, the 2025 Tata Sumo is set to appeal to a broader audience than its predecessors. As for the pricing, Tata Motors is expected to keep the 2025 Tata Sumo competitively priced, making it accessible for a wide range of buyers. Though the exact pricing details are not yet available, it is expected that the Sumo will fall into the mid-range SUV segment, offering great value for money considering the features, technology, and performance on offer. Tata Motors' reputation for offering quality vehicles at affordable prices makes the Sumo a promising option for those in search of a reliable SUV without breaking the bank. To sum it up, the 2025 Tata Sumo is a well-rounded, versatile SUV that combines strength, comfort, and modern technology. The redesign has certainly given the Sumo a fresh, appealing look, and the addition of new features and improved performance only adds to its appeal. Whether you're after a daily driver or a vehicle that can handle your off-road adventures, the 2025 Tata Sumo is a great option to consider. With its solid build quality, advanced tech, and powerful engine, this SUV is poised to continue its legacy as one of the most reliable and capable vehicles in its class. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on all things automotive, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned to Roadrunner for more car reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.